Man, Pasanobe.
One name, Kedu. It's another beautiful episode of the Eastside Music Show. Uno makaisi meya afam busomto. And today I am a very fantastic artist in our studio today. Onyabu one artist more like personally, you know, because of how different sound they are. If only me puliche or pulizi and he has a song right now. Everywhere kita. In fact, as a matter of fact, that song has blown up everywhere. Mana I be to that later. Mana, let us introduce you to Stoner Nwaigbo now. Welcome to the Voice of the East Studio. Good to have you here now. If I name if you're Igbo and Abu a big, represent Igbo very well. So good to have you here. So can you just go straight to the point, you know? Kai maloni Igbo. Why Igbo Alpha? I'm an Stoner Nwaigbo. First of all, I like that name because I want the kind of energy. The alpha jibia okay ima takwa so wagodi ayin ezigbo alpha gina onye ebe Igbo.
Okay, ezigbo alpha mbu chukwu Ebuka. You understand? Abu onye Igbo.
First of all
ye kachicha mkpa. Abu onye Igbo.
So si ye ka mkpa.
Yes, abu onye Igbo. And etokwa m na ani Igbo. Odo na mebi rozi na ani Igbo for now. Ebi m Abuja. Understand? You don't want to now.
What that cool for now, I chima because like why be do with the introduction? Only if if you name pudiche, and it's very evident in the kind of music you make, in the way you the way you present yourself. So I chima, can you feel the inspiration behind both your sound and the way you see Debo Nwigi as an artist? Can you feel your inspiration?
Okay, normally it's about African spirituality. You understand? And I chose to use Odinani Igbo because all I'm related to. Because as only Igbo. You understand? Obuno African thing again Igbo later, but right now it's all about Odinani Igbo culture, about Igbo culture. You understand? I'm trying to show it and make Makande Amaro so many things about Igbo culture. Especially in the overseas, understand?
It's in the good lights.
Odinani Igbo abori Igbo. Cause some people they make water, understand? Or just no culture, negotiate.
Ifeji Malwani.
Correct.
Ifeji Malwani. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, actually matter how long imebele Igbo, like for how long imebele Igbo.
You understand? But at the time when I was Stoner Frank.
Okay.
So even if you go online, Google, you no name then.
Okay.
Understand? But at the time, make it a change to Stoner and rebrand that to Stoner Nwaigbo, which is like about 2020, 2019. You understand?
Keep the
Stoner Nwaigbo brand.
Okay.
Understand? 2019, 2020.
Beautiful. More questions are coming, but before we go, actually, this is the entertainment show, and I name countdown. 5 songs from artists Banya. You got artists na Bambosi side. So actually, the first song from your playlist. Again, you go before I continue.
Okay. Ndi Igbo na na manu no ba na ezi.
You could tell you off man
so,
now.
My first song, which is my favorite song right now, is Mmiri. Bracket Arab Nago. Understand? Diego is so special because Diego be tribute to my late friend. You understand?
Okay.
They call the guy Swimpy Mama.
Chai.
You understand?
Beautiful.
So Mmiri.
Beautiful. And that song is yours. It just dropped,
yes? Stoner Nwaigbo, yes.
Stoner Nwaigbo with Mmiri. Yes, a tribute to Swimpy Mama. Let's go.
This thing just depending me. This thing don't depend me on. This thing don't depend me on. Swimpy Mama oh. On bologe no wulu. Mama oh. On bologe no wulu.
I can Ajugi. Let's continue with Big Masquerade. Now Big Masquerade, Igwa Gina Oja Dilime. You know, first of all, I want to congratulate you on that jam.
Thank you.
Ego Abugodi, a monster hit. You know, the other day I was somewhere around Holy Ghost, and I radio. The person was playing it, you know, repeatedly. You know, call be a hit CM this song I buy ago. So first of all, I think it's a very beautiful song. Aichima, how did that song come about? Because Ojadili is very talented. You yourself, you came in with, you know, beautiful energy and you made a very wonderful song. So how did that song come about? How did you link up with Ojadili? How did you come up with that song? It's so beautiful.
First of all, shout out to Ojadili.
Yes, Ojadili Igbo. Yes. Shout out to Ojadili Igbo.
The song and what the know Kamaji, because I don't actually record Big Masquerade finish. You understand? And Ojadili, my sound, they give Ojadili joy. So abatame nugu that period. Only show I meet you. Understand? Ori adiego like adiego some. Nsi akogaba yani okwetekwa. That thing was a history.
Very wonderful sound. Yeah. And you know, I'm looking forward to more collaborations like that between, you know, Igbo, because like if you listen to that song, Imagodina onwe so those are the kind of collaborations we should be looking forward to. And once again, congratulations, because I like I said, I believe that song is a massive hit. And not just that I believe, it is a massive hit. Yeah, it is a massive hit. So on a particular trend be a kita, you know, I'd like to call it a trend, you know. Young Igbo artists, everybody's trying to, even people that are not Igbo. Yeah. When we try it tap into that Igbo sound, Igbo culture. We had that. I'm talking about as far back as 3 years ago. You know, from KC doing that sound with, you know, Oja and all of that. You know, even before then, the younger generation of Igbo artists, I now come here, Kumaka, you know, the older generation, name high life. I'm talking about Mande hip hop, Mande pop, Mande trap. Everybody's trying to tap in to that, you know, Igbo sound, Igbo culture. Can you feel maka that thing? Can you feel maka, you know, what's your thoughts about it generally?
Yeah, you know, saying now this thing we don't talk about, we don't preach, and as kind tono. We also carry na tono with this thing.
Yes.
Understand? Because I believe you know go fit use English sing song reach Chris Brown. You understand? You know go want the rap with English. Rap reach past Jehos there, which is their language, Ibahaji. You understand? But you can reach we don't think twice, you understand?
They think back home.
Yeah, but now the only thing why they talk, so many people now doesn't is the same thing. You understand? I need to try. Sky is too big, so many things there.
Different things while still tapping in the culture. You know,
yes.
Okay.
So I just believe say no who say we don't listen. You understand? And our people where they are that side, the different states, Lagos, Abuja, and other states, they interested in Pota from our side, which is Igbo. You understand? So the only thing I go talk, we say glory be to God. You can read rich.
Yes, beautiful. All right. Before we continue, we'll go for our next song on the playlist. Today, we're going to be doing songs from Stoner's playlist, and we've got one already. And number 2 on Stoner's playlist is...
okay, this one is from my guy, Nuno Ziggy.
Nuno Ziggy is another very talented person from the Southeast. Ladies and gentlemen, Nuno Ziggy with Higher.
I go dey go. Higher, go dey go. I go dey go. Higher. Ziggy.
Welcome back to the Eastside Music Show, and today I'm with Stoner Nwaigbo with us right here in the studio, and we're talking to him about, you know, a few things. I know now Jugasi has some ajuju, and he has given us a couple of songs from his playlist, but then we're going to continue with that much later. So the next question I have, Jugi Bu Ima Onwengbebu na Adi Igbo eba enu. The capital of entertainment in this country. you know, from the movies to music. In fact, I want a back if any name, you know, everything they changes here. On our disika, on your own actually make here, you know, nife basa entertainment, you opo, yota. But you would say, Monday, be make a little buzz around here. No katakwa. Odikwa ka, you know, if I the bagulu hammer, say about bapu. Onwa ko onye si onye apuna, you know, because like I said, ndi Igbo ban si ade akwu for ebe the money. Mana onwe ife bu na there is no onye pay attention to if I was there by entertainment wise. You got that. Mana I makwa na onwe kwa nde ufodu ndi na agbakwa mbọ ifu na, you know, that thing be achitazo, that culture of entertainment be achitazo na Igbo, you know, to the point the abuna okay onye obuna no eba when you see I don't have to go anywhere.
Sorry, structure your question well.
So it's not going to be too long. Yeah,
Very long.
Yeah, that's good.
So I beg go straight to the point for the question, make I understand.
Yes.
Because like this, I just the thing.
Yeah. No. All right. So, Chima, another question I said, Chima, if only if I am as in the Bible, to bring back, you know, the entertainment, that's entertainment culture. Be a dizzy corner, Naziana na Igbo. You know, if killing movies and everything. Chima, if I am iche, because on a bit dizika, you know, onye merana or balapo, jebozo. Makana, we don't have, it feels like I am all the structure EG build artists and creative talented people but only if I am okay at the end if I am
okay first someone choke a water I bundi Igbo oda na agburu oda na obara I bundi njem you understand so anything I game onwere game nka I kwusi ị na apụ so I believe in anything I game maybe enwe something gonna ebuch time as I pour nata like maybe I remember mgbe roadblock mgbe Sullivan roadblock was the main reason every Igbo man janata Christmas that year apart from normal Christmas but based on entertainment roadblock well I mom ko odum ko roadblock ebidogo ozo amorokwa mo but I believe it's not as active as it is before she understand. So I will opening with more things, more shows or more events. Give time. You understand?
Let's hear on the map.
Check it there.
Yes,
understand?
Yes,
so
beautiful.
Man be blame anybody why because all that in our buru, all that in our bala.
But I want to see happen.
Yeah.
But if I lay a foundation, the younger upcoming ones, they need a structure around them. To help them develop and get better. So with Udili I'm talking about roadblock and roadblock parties. There's something coming from the Voice of the East, you know, a roadblock show basically from the Voice of the East, you know, and it's still very much in the works, but it's going to be very massive. Before we go to the next song, I need to require one more question. You know, like we said, we're playing songs from Stoner's playlist today, and you know, but Chima, on any artist, you know, from the past, especially from when you need to. An inspiration to you, okay, only now and ask, okay, this person, you know, is somebody that you look up to, you know, any artist or anybody.
Yeah, of course. The person who they respect pass for everything. That Nigeria guy and Raw. Mr. Raw.
Wow.
You understand? Growing up now.
Wow.
You understand? Growing up, him and corner now. Nigga Raw now. You understand? Nigga Raw be make this Igbo thing.
Yes.
You understand? We meaning. You understand? Nigga Raw be the first person I am matter na this na game me. Na people.
With our sound, with our
people
yes.
Nigga Raw.
Shout out to Nigga Raw OG. Yes.
Wrong town. Flavor na Albania. You understand? The jelly.
Yes.
Understand?
Jelly of Africa.
Fino no Kiana.
Yes.
Understand?
So,
many more. I know if you can finish.
Yes.
Plenty.
Beautiful. All right. And number 3 on Stoner's playlist is
Okay, this guy who I go call like this now, the guy they motivate me. No be today. Even we back. You understand? Hasta la vista.
Beautiful.
You understand?
So can the
guy who came with Ebube.
Yes.
You understand? But I've had the Yogubu Homecoming by Hasta la Vista.
Homecoming by Hasta la Vista.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You are now rocking.
Rooty tested. My jebe. My naba.
What are we expecting from Stoner, you know, in the coming weeks, in the coming months, in the coming year? You know, because your fans are watching, of course.
I just dropped a song, Miri.
Oh, beautiful.
And Mami Water.
Mami Water. Okay, 2 songs at the same time. Beautiful.
Yes. Because I actually refer my fans, my male fans as the Masquerades, and the female fans as the Mami Waters. You understand? Yes. So, the Mami Water song, especially dedicated to my female fans.
Beautiful.
You understand?
Beautiful. So Miri and Mami Water out right now.
Yes.
Go check it out on all platforms. Stoner Nwaigbo out with another song after the success of Big Masquerade. Big Masquerade is still banging everywhere across all platforms. Just check it out, Miri and Mami Water. All right, so the next song, we're going to go to the next song on your playlist, right? The next song on your playlist is going to be what?
Spakuti Ula.
Spakuti Ula.
Yes.
Beautiful. Spakuti is another very, wonderful Igbo artist.
Correct guy.
Yeah, correct guy. So Stoner Nwaigbo says it's Spakuti Ula at number 4.
Yeah.
All right, so far in the studio, I know with Stoner Nwaigbo, the Big Masquerade from Alibo, and he's been with us here since, and we've been we've been talking and we've been having a little chat, and like I said, good to have you here in our studio. We're looking forward to having you, many more times here because we support your brand. We're a big fan of your brand. So one more thing, just give a shout out to the Voice of the East, and let's end it here.
Okay, one name Kedu. Shout out to Voice of the East, especially the staffs. I'm not sure for everybody, but I know at least I know Mayor. You understand? And the chairman, Akoma Diego, one. You understand? So you name it, I'm asking for sure.
Yes, big shout outs from the Big Masquerade himself. Okay, so Unu Makaisi Emea, and that's that for the Eastside Music Show. Today we had Stoner Nwaigbo with us. So we're going to end the show today with the last song from Stoner Nwaigbo's playlist, which is
Big Masquerade. From me, the Big Masquerade, Stoner Nwaigbo, featuring Ojadilibo.
Yeah, my favorite song right now,
Shout out to
Ojadilibo. Yeah, shout out to Ojadilibo. Stoner Nwaigbo with Big Masquerade featuring Ojadilibo. See you next time. Afam Kabusomto.
Them no give chance, but them clear road. When you see me, oh, you throw money. Big Masquerade, I get this jolly.